This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the new duo bag from Clear Pool Bags, and this is sold at clearpoolproducts.com. These bags feature a bungee cord attachment, and these bags will fit all the vacuum systems on the market today. And the bungee cord system will keep it securely on the vacuum system, and it won't blow off the top. And it's also very easy to remove. And what's unique about the Duo bag is that it's a 250 micron bag, and it has a 75 micron insert. And the 75 micron insert is Velcroed on here, so you can remove it easily, or you can leave it on here and use it to capture the fine dirt. Or you can use this as a 250 micron bag without the 75 micron insert. And because this is a 250 micron bag, it's going to be very long lasting. And then you have the added benefit of having a 75 micron insert. Because the outer layer is 250 microns, you're going to be able to move rapidly in the pool with this bag because there's less water resistance. We're also going to get the added benefit of having the 75 micron bag trapping the finer dirt. Okay, let me show you the debris that this bag picked up. Again, it's really easy to remove from the vacuum system. And you can see that the 75 micron insert catches all of the finer dirt. And of course, the 250 micron bag is more durable, and it's made specifically for larger leaf debris. So you have the best of both worlds in this new Duo bag. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.